What was the one in the show?
All right, Jalil.
TITiny.vh1.com.
Now, what is that?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. What color is it?
Blue.
What is it? What shape is it?
Little.
Oh, sorry. Hold on. What is that?
Blue.
What shape?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. Okay, what is that?
Diamond.
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 What color is it?
Diamond.
What color?
Pink.
No.
That is pink.
No, it's not. Magenta is purple.
Purple.
It's like a purple.
What's that?
Here, what is that?
Oval.
Oval. What color?
Green.
Green. Okay, what color is that?
Circle.
It's a circle. What color is it?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. What's that?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. What color?
Blue.
Blue. What's that?
Square.
A square. What color is it?
Gray.
Gray. What's that?
Triangle.
Triangle. What is it?
Gray.
Okay, what shape?
Triangle.
Triangle.